All right, this video is in response to Socrdave calling me out saying that I don't have a magical popcorn microwave. I do, and I'm gonna go show you. As you can see right here, we'll just show it right here. Pop Secret Kids kettle corn, okay? These are small bags. And it even says, if you read it on the side, it says, do not use popcorn button. I'm going to use the popcorn button, and it's going to be done perfectly. So here we go.
What are you doing?
I'm showing Socrdave up. That's what I'm doing. All right, here we go. Beautiful microwave. We've got this little thing called sensor cooking. You see that? Put this in, press popcorn, and we'll wait. You notice no time? The least exciting video of all time, I know, but I'm doing this to prove a point. You hear that? Starting to pop. Starting to pop. There's no time though. What's going to happen? What's going to happen here? Oh my goodness. Is it going to overpop? Is it going to burn? Or is it going to magically stop and recognize, hey, we've got enough. There it goes. What's going to happen? What is going to happen? It still just says popcorn. Oh no, it's going to burn. Or it's not going to cook enough. What's going to happen here? Smart microwave. What are you going to do? Oh no, it's 20 seconds now. Look at this. All right, let's see the results here. Take it out. Get a bowl. Open it. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Look at that. Perfect. Not a single undone kernel. Look at that. Not burned, no black. I told you, don't ever doubt me, Socrdave, and stop making bad photoshops of me while you're at it. Enjoy your popcorn, everybody.